Welcome back. In this video we're going to learn how to delete a worksheet. First things first, how do you delete an Excel worksheet? It's just as simple as select the worksheet and then right click and click on delete. I don't think there's a keyboard shortcut for it, but let me see. None. You can see. Later we'll learn how to input keyboard shortcuts for things like this if it's something that you do frequently, but I don't advise you to change any default Excel shortcuts. So that's how you are able to delete a worksheet. The second question is, can you delete an Excel sheet that has content in it? So I already duplicated the first budget sheet. Let's right click and delete. It's going to give you a notification. Remember, in the first one it never gave us a notification that are you sure you want to delete this sheet, because it was an empty worksheet. But since this has content, it's giving us a warning. Microsoft Excel will permanently delete this sheet. Do you want to continue? Click on either cancel, it takes me back, or if right click and say delete and click on delete, it's going to send it away, because you're aware that you're deleting a sheet that has content. Why would you delete a working sheet? And the simple answer is, sometimes you've duplicated the working sheet, you've done your experiments and you found the answers that you want. Now you want to do away with the worksheet, or you created extra worksheets, so you need to delete it. But is there a possibility that you can delete multiple worksheets? Of course, Excel answers yes. I've created two worksheets, sheet number 11 and sheet number 12. If you want to delete both of them at once, select the first one, then shift select the next one, then click on delete, and it's going to send both of them away. The other way is, because sometimes, let me add here, if I want to delete sheet 11 and sheet 14 only and they don't follow each other, I can't use the shift key, so I'll use the control or command key. So I select the first one, command key, select the second one, and delete both of them. Okay, so they are gone. If I want to delete sheets that follow each other, I'll shift click, select the first one, then shift click the last one, then delete. So that's how we delete Excel sheets. I hope you do not delete content which you are still using or you've not made a backup for. So watch out for the notifications that Excel gives you. See you in the next tutorial, where we're going to learn about moving and copying an Excel sheet. See you then.